What are the key entrepreneurial values mentioned in the chapter, and how do they contribute to an entrepreneur's success? Key entrepreneurial values and their contribution to success, innovation, the ability to think outside the box and develop new ideas is crucial. Innovators often disrupt markets with new products and services. Determination, staying committed despite challenges helps entrepreneurs push through difficulties. Flexibility, the ability to adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs can make or break a new venture. Ethics and integrity, building trust with consumers, employees, and partners can lead to more sustainable success. Leadership, effective leadership motivates teams and guides companies through growth stages and challenging times. These values contribute to an entrepreneur's success by fostering a resilient, adaptable, and proactive business environment that can navigate the complexities of the market. Explain the importance of imagination in developing entrepreneurial skills. Provide an example from the chapter. Imagination fuels innovation by enabling entrepreneurs to envision new products, services, or processes that do not yet exist. For example, consider the case of Steve Jobs and Apple. Jobs' imagination led to the creation of user-friendly products like the iPhone and iPad, which revolutionized technology and consumer interactions. What role does intuition play in entrepreneurship, and how can it be combined with moderate risk-taking for successful decision-making? Intuition plays a critical role in decision-making, often guiding entrepreneurs through uncertain and ambiguous situations where data may be incomplete. When combined with moderate risk-taking, intuition can lead to pioneering decisions that anticipate market trends before they become obvious. An entrepreneur might intuitively pull out of a deal or enter a new market based on subtle cues that suggest larger trends, balancing these decisions with calculated risks to manage potential downsides. Why is it important for entrepreneurs to engage in activities like brainstorming sessions and business plan development? Brainstorming sessions foster creative thinking and can lead to innovative solutions that might not emerge through solitary reflection. They enable teams to explore ideas freely and without judgment, increasing the likelihood of finding viable new business opportunities. Developing a business plan is crucial as it provides a roadmap for the venture, outlining goals, strategies, target markets, and financial projections. It is essential for securing funding and guiding strategic decisions. How can resilience and perseverance help an entrepreneur overcome challenges and setbacks in their business journey? Entrepreneurship often involves high risks and frequent setbacks. Resilience and perseverance enable entrepreneurs to continue striving towards their goals despite difficulties. For instance, Walt Disney faced several business failures and bankruptcies before finally establishing Disneyland, demonstrating how perseverance can ultimately lead to success. These qualities ensure that entrepreneurs learn from failures, adapt their strategies, and persistently pursue success, often transforming obstacles into stepping stones.